Have you ever faced last minute panic because you can't seem to make ends meet in the holiday season? In this video, I will be unlocking the secrets to a joy-filled holiday where making ends meet is transformed into triumph. Stick around as I share with you my favorite tip to use in this holiday season. Without further ado, let's delve right into my first tip. Now it's the holiday season and you want to make ends meet as single moms. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you budget wisely. Why do you want to budget wisely? At the end of the day, you do not want to overspend and end in last minute panic. So make sure that you create a budget, stick to the budget. Also make sure that you have a list of all your essential expenses, for example, your rent, your water, your groceries. These are the expenses that you cannot do without. So when you are going shopping for this Christmas, make sure that you have a budget and stick to your budget. Tip number 2, plan ahead. Now the holiday seasons is upon us as single moms. If you have not started planning, it is time now to put your plan in place to make sure you have a list of all your expenses, all the incomes that are coming in. You want to avoid last minute shopping, last minute panicking and overspending. So make sure that you have your plan in place to what you are going to buy for the Christmas, the gifts that you're going to buy for family members or friends. Make sure that you have a list. Plan ahead and put this plan into action that you may not overspend, that by the end of the year into next year you don't have any money put aside. Make sure, single moms, to plan ahead. Now I want you to leave in the comments what you are doing for this Christmas, if you have started planning ahead, and also if you are using a budgeting system to make sure that you do not overspend. Let me know in the comments below. Single moms, if you want to make ends meet this holiday season, make sure to try out my number 3 tip, which is do DIY gifts. Now, I know that you probably want to go and do the shopping and pick up that postcard or to buy that lovely truck or Barbie dolly for your child. But remember, we can learn to make things. Homemade things are very personal, and we can learn to make them and give them to our children and give them also to family members. For example, moms, you can buy cartridge paper or other papers that can be used to make lovely gift cards. I remember when I was going to school and we did not have money to buy cards for our friends. This is something that we used to do. And even now, growing up, I remember we had an exchange gift at my workplace. And what I did was to buy cartridge paper and to make a lovely gift cards for my co-workers. So it is important that we learn how to make homemade things, which is cost effective, and it will help us in this holiday season not to overspend, because we would have used things that are low cost and things that we also have in the home already. So make sure to think about doing DIY gifts for this Christmas season. My lovely single moms, if you want to know how to budget as a single mom, you can check out my video. I will leave the link in the description for that video, how to budget as a single mom, that you will have an understanding of why you need to budget. You will know the difference between your income and your expenses. So check out my description and you will see that link below. My 4th tip is to shop smart. What do you mean by shopping smart? Walk around, compare prices, look for sales, look for discounts. Now we just finished Black Friday and it was crazy deals on a lot of products. This is something that as single moms, we could have taken advantage of and start buying presents from early. If you did not get the chance to participate in Black Friday, look out for discounts. I know a lot of Play stores are going to have Christmas sale. Look for these sales, compare the prices, and to make sure that you go for good quality at low cost. Because as single moms, you don't want to overspend in this holiday season. You want to make sure that you make ends meet, that you can have a joy-filled Christmas with your family. Now, you want to make ends meet this Christmas as a single mother. My 5th tip is to make sure that you explore free events or low-cost events. Look around in your communities, see what events are being held, and make sure that they are low-cost. Events that are in your budget, you are able to afford. Or better yet, events that are free, that you and your family can enjoy. Now for my bonus tip, single moms, you can look at DIY potluck. This is an event that you may created for yourself. Now it is Christmas, and we all want to have that family dinner where friends and family come over to have meal, and we all sit down, enjoy the meal, and laugh together, bond together as a family. But remember, we do not want to overspend in this holiday season. We want to make ends meet. So we can create a potluck where we invite friends over, family over, and these friends and family that are coming, they will walk with a bottle. They will walk with some turkey, chicken, rice, peas. They will walk with something to contribute to the event that we are having at home this Christmas season. Moms, remember, we can still have fun with these low-cost ideas. Potluck is very nice and it is fun for the entire family, and the activity will be free and low cost if you ask family members or friends to contribute to that event. Single moms, remember, this holiday season is not about overspending or going into panic mode. It is all about the true spirit of love, togetherness, bonding with family members and friends. So make sure to look at all these tips that I've just suggested. Budget wisely, plan ahead of time. Make sure that you also do gifts yourself. Make homemade gifts that can give to family members or friends. Don't be afraid to ask family members to contribute to events that you are having. Look also for low cost or free events that are happening in your community or within your area. And don't be afraid to go out with your family and have fun. The true spirit of Christmas, the true spirit of this holiday season is for us to have fun and for us to be together. Remember, don't overspend this Christmas. Your efforts to create a warm and loving holiday season will be cherished by family members and friends even years to come. So make sure to have a Merry Christmas when it comes. My single moms, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. See you next time.